Good morning, friends. It is a beautiful morning here in Arkansas. It's about 68 degrees, so it's cool, it's sunny. I'm headed into town to meet my husband and oldest son for an early lunch. Many of you have noticed probably that the channel name has changed to Southern Roots. I love the South. I've been raised a Southerner. I just love my heritage, so I want to do some exploring and, do some cooking out of my mom's recipes, her mom's recipes, just explore some more of where I'm from, where my roots came from, and some of the cooking things they did, and I don't know, just go back into time a bit. But anyway, I hope you enjoy all these things that are coming up. So while I'm headed to town, I'm going to let y'all step into the kitchen and we're going to make some green chili enchilada soup. So I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you Tuesday. So, already started my ground beef browning. I add about a teaspoon of minced garlic. Shake some onion flakes up in there. Some smoked paprika. Just a touch of red pepper flake. Put some cumin in there. Then some chili powder. Let that cook all up. Then we will move on to the next step. Okay, so I've drained my meat. Put it back in my skillet. Look at that. Put my heat down just a hair. I'm going to add a couple of beef bouillon cubes, since you can use chicken in this, but I'm using ground beef. So, therefore I don't have a broth. So I'm going to add 3 cups of water. Alright. So I'm going to mix that around a bit. And let those bouillon cubes start to dissolve. Okay. Next, I'm going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese. I'm just going to kind of pinch it off in there so it'll melt all around instead of just one spot. We love Mexican food here at the Slape House. So I'm going to let that start to melt down somewhat. Won't take it long because it is hot. See, my bouillon cubes are still floating around. Now I'm going to add a 28-ounce can of green chili enchilada sauce. Okay. Give that a mix. I'm going to add four ounces of the salsa verde. Then I'm going to add, I'm running out of room, about a cup of heavy whipping cream. And gently stir so I don't spill it. I'm going to let that all kind of cook down or cook together and my cheese finish melting down. Then I will come back with the last steps. Alright, so all the cream cheese is pretty much melted down. Likes just a tad. This soup is so good. You can pour it over chips. You can eat it plain, just like it is. I'm going to add just a touch of salt. Okay, then I'm going to come back with the last ingredient. It's about 2 cups of Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. And since I like cheese, I'll put about 3/4 cup extra. Now I'm really stirring easy. This is not really a skillet safe recipe, is it? Needed my big pot. Alright, so I'm going to let that melt down. Which it pretty much already is. This big. Chunk of cheese there. You know what? I think it's time to try some soup. Since I'm on a diet, I'm not going to add any chips to mine. So, I'm going to come back, sprinkle some extra cheese in there. I just got a mess everywhere. Anyway, there you go. Green chili enchilada soup. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you try it. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in a couple days.